In this video, we'll see regarding the commit and rollback commands. Okay, these statements, right? When we are going to use. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to create one table. Okay, replace table where in the same scheme. Okay, same database, school database, and admin school admin schema like student. Okay, transport details, transport details. Okay, just as okay. So student ID number, student name like varchar, so varchar will be 30 max, student number is like max 5, it's property, and student address. Okay, like varchar. Okay, assume 50. Okay, distance. Okay, distance, how many kilometers, the number. Okay, distance in kilometers. Okay, just give the number. Okay, max is okay. Now I'm creating table. My table is this one. Okay, now describe this table. Okay, my table structure is there. Okay, so did I use any commit statement here? No, right? Okay, let's go. Okay, open new session. Okay, so before that, right, the moment you open any worksheet, okay, the moment, okay, you open any worksheet, one session ID will create for that worksheet. Okay, then go and check how we, okay, how we can check. Okay, let me duplicate this one. Duplicating. Okay, now I'm creating one more worksheet, just plus symbol. Yeah, this is one like PCL statements, right? Check. Okay, yeah. So I'm setting my context. Okay, how I can set? Setting context for this worksheet. Okay, how I can do? Use database. Directly I can go here. I can select my database and schema. Now I'm not doing, I'm using my command. Okay, use database. What is database name? School database. So I didn't execute. See, let's execute. Once you execute this statement, you see this database will set here context. See, database set context, but schema took by default public. But we don't want this one. Which schema you want? This one. School admin you want, right? Use database. Sorry, use schema. Okay. So school admin. This is schema. Okay. Now you have two worksheet open in this tab. This TCL in this tab. This okay. DDL create DML insert statement. Okay. We have two worksheets. Okay. Now I'm opening one more tab. Okay. Just I'm duplicating. Yeah. This is third work. This is third tab. Okay. Now in this tab, I'm going directly here. Query history. Okay. Where I can go left hand side. Okay. from last to second one. Okay, query history. Okay, just click on that one. Okay, yeah. Now this statement where I executed, just open here. Here see the session ID. Okay, this statement where I executed in the here in this worksheet, TCL worksheet. Okay, now see what is the session ID? This one. Okay, 894. Just copy and paste here session ID. Okay, now here which statement I executed? These two statement I executed, right? In the same worksheet. Go and check. Take uh, any query. Okay, coming back again. Okay, so in this query history, right? Wherever you execute in any worksheet, right? All will be available in the query history. Okay, that's one. Okay, come here. Somewhere we create, right? See this one. Okay, or else you can go and check create. This is create table, right? This create table or describe admin. See student transport data details, right? So any statement, two statements are executed in the same worksheet, right? Then open anyone. Okay. Then see this works. This session ID is totally different. 370. Okay. Take this one and see session ID. Okay. Here session ID is 370 ending with here 894. Okay, it is ending means each worksheet have different session ID. Okay, now I created this table. Okay, but I didn't commit it. Okay, now I'm checking the details I'm getting here. Okay, take same statement and execute here in the second worksheet, the TCL. Okay, just go and check. I'm getting I'm getting the structure. Okay, now insert few records. Insert into this table. Okay, then values. Okay, let's create only one record. It's enough. Okay, ID is something one I'm giving. Okay, name Sarah I'm giving. Next, address. Okay, something. Okay, uh, board. Okay, teachers colony. Just giving like distance I'm giving just 24 kilometers. Okay, yeah, I'm inserting this record. Record is inserted. Okay, now query this table. I'm able to get this data. Okay, did I commit anything? No, I didn't use any commit. Okay, as of now, take the same statement and execute in the other worksheet. Okay, okay, now see I'm getting the record. Okay, so even though I didn't commit, okay, what happening? The data is reflecting in another session also. Another worksheet means in the sense another session also. Okay, now why? Because okay, so here see by default DDLR auto commit. By default DDLs are auto commit. That is fine. So this DDL statement, right? The moment I create this table structure, okay, we are able to see in this session, in another session also we are able to describe. That is fine. But insert, right? DML statement. Insert is as part of the DML statement. Okay. If you take like another like Oracle database, right? This is not auto commit. This is not auto commit. Okay. But here this is behaving like a auto commit. The moment I insert, right, I'm able to see the same data in different session also. Okay. Why? Because show parameters. Check it. See, auto commit is this parameter is set as a true. Because of this only, the moment you insert the data is committing automatically. Not only insert. If you perform update, delete, okay, truncate, anything, right? So data will commit automatically. Data is committing automatically. Okay, just because of that only, you are able to see committed data, right? The moment you insert the data in one session, you able to see in another session also. Now what I will do, okay? Now what I will do, let me, okay, set this one, alter session. So what I will do, I will set is a false. I'm just disabling disable, okay, auto commit. Okay, how I can do alter session auto commit false. Okay, just execute it auto auto commit. Okay, just I miss set. Okay, now this statement is executed. Okay, now check the show parameters. This is false. Okay, this is default value is true, but actual value which one will take whatever we said just now. False means this DMLs are now not autocorrect. Let's see how we can do. Okay. Now try to execute one more statement. I'm trying to insert data. Okay. Now number two, Akshara. Okay. What's that? Okay. Oh yeah. Address I'm giving the same. Okay. Let's go and execute this statement. Yeah. Okay. Where I executed in the first session, right? In this 370 session, I executed. Okay. Now check the data. We have two records now. Okay. Now execute the same. Okay. Select statement in another session in the TCL worksheet means different worksheet, different session, right? Now execute this select statement. See, still I have only one record. Okay. Why? Because here I disable auto commit is false means those are not auto commit means automatically will not save. Okay, until unless I commit this transaction. See, so uncommitted transaction, right? Okay, it's available only for this session only for this session only. Okay, if you don't save this indirectly, if you don't commit uh, this record means indirectly, the moment I close this session means this data will not be available. Okay, now why I'm getting means still my session is active, so I'm able to see this data. But if you go to another session, I'm not able to see this data. Okay, and this data also, okay, okay, it is permanent means no, until unless I commit it is not permanent. Okay, so if I close this session, if you next time again if I query this select statement, I will get only one record only, like how we are getting in another session. Okay, now so if you terminate the session, we will lose this record. Okay, now what I have to do to make this one a permanent, okay, I have to use commit statement. I have to use commit. I'm using now commit statement. Now committed. Now go and check. Execute the same select statement in another session. Now see, I'm able to see. the second record also. Okay, so as of now, whatever we practiced right in previous videos, why data was uh, available automatically means, okay, because of this uh, parameter. Okay, now what is rollback? Okay, now see, I'm executing, I'm inserting one more record. Okay, just three. Okay, now record, some other, right? 17. Okay, now I'm inserting value frame. Okay, let me take this insert statement. Okay, that's it. Now I'm inserting one more record. Now one row is inserted. Now check data. Three records should be there. Three records. If I go and check in another session, you should get only two records. Why? Because the third record not yet committed. Now go. Okay. I don't want this record. Mistakenly I inserted again. So I don't want this one. Okay. When I can use rollback means before committing. Before committing. Okay. Now I'm using rollback. Okay. If I use rollback, what happens? Whatever the transactions, okay, are not saved. In this case, this only one. This is one. This is only one statement, right? This is not committed. So this will roll back. Okay. I'm just using rollback. I'm just executing. Rollback is successful. Now check the data. I should have only two records only. Why? Because the third record, right, we inserted, again we roll back. Okay, so rollback, how it will work means, rollback will undo all the changes, okay, up to last commit. It's not like only one record. Suppose we inserted 100 records. We inserted 100 records. Then what happens? 100 records, whichever, right, not committed, all will be rolled back. Okay, simply this rollback will go and do all the undo changes up to last commit. Why? Because up to here we committed. Okay, we don't want to roll back this one. Okay, so system will identify up to which record that commit we already saved. We committed the data. After that, right? Okay, it will try to undo. Okay, this is like commit and rollback. Okay, now this session, session, right? Okay, we can use statement also to get. Okay, select current session. Okay, so that will come to see 370. This is current session. Okay, see 370. Go to execute here also after the current session. So select current session. See, 94. Okay, see. Okay, that's all for this video. Okay, in the next session, we'll discuss a few more commands. Okay, thanks.